You ever wonder why human babies are just so helpless? Let's get into it.
I mean, right from the start, there's a huge difference between us and other animals.
You'd think that's a massive disadvantage, right? In the wild, you gotta move or you're toast.
But what if that apparent weakness is actually our species' biggest superpower?
So what was the trade-off? What did we get for giving up that early mobility? Okay, so scientists have a couple of terms for this, altricial and precocial. And yeah, we are definitely in that altricial camp. Basically, we're born a little undercooked. And here's the trade-off. We gave up being able to run for a much, much bigger brain. So how does this actually work? Well, it all starts with a big problem, our big brains.
At birth, our brain is just not ready to run the complex program for walking. And then there's problem number 2, our pelvis. Walking on 2 legs made it pretty narrow. So you've got this big head and this narrow exit. How on earth does that work?
Evolution's clever, if brutal solution. Just get the baby out of there earlier. And that right there is what scientists call the obstetric dilemma. It's a classic evolutionary puzzle. So our whole survival game is just different. Forget instant independence, we rely on teamwork. And let's be real, walking on 2 legs is just way harder than on 4. Think about it. Animals are born with the software pre-installed. We have to learn everything. This long, slow process is crucial. It lets our brains wire themselves up after we're born. So let's pull it all together. Our helplessness isn't a bug, it's a feature. When you put it side by side, you see 2 completely different game plans for life. That long childhood is where all the magic happens. Language, art, everything we are. So in the end, we aren't born ready-made. We're born ready to become.